Dear children, good morning. Let us start our class. Today I am going to take the helping hands. Please look at the heading Helping Hand. Don't panic, Aman. I am here to help you. Radha said soothingly. I just hold my waist. Just hold my waist with one hand and try to paddle slowly with your feet. I will carry you with me. Aman did exactly what he was told. That started swimming back slowly. Now, with Aman's weight, it was tough for her to swim against the current. She used all her strength and inched back towards the river bank. By the time she reached there, a big crowd had gathered. Half a dozen hands caught hold of her. Someone said, "Let go of Aman. We are here." Then someone scooped her out of water and laid her down slowly on the sand. She was panting and her throat was dry. She shivered uncontrollably. Someone brought a blanket and wrapped it around her. She closed her eyes. Then we know that the Radha tried to caught Alan from the river. We know that Alan was deeply went into the deeply went into the river Yamuna, and Radha tried to help him. Radha caught him. Don't panic, Aman. Aman, don't worry. Don't panic. You don't worry. You don't disturb. I am here to help you. I will help you. I am going to help you. Radha said soothingly. Radha said comfortably. And Radha said with comfort, you don't worry, Aman. I will help you. I will bring you at the shore. Just hold my waist and with one hand and try to paddle slowly with your feet. And Radha said to him, please hold my waist, hold my back of the body. Radha told Aman, you just hold my back of the body with one hand and try to paddle slowly with your feet. And try to paddle and try to keep his pa- sorry, yes, and try to keep your feet with my feet slowly. I will carry you with me. I will carry you. I will carry you at the shore. You don't worry. You don't panic. Aman did exactly that he was told. Sorry, not he was told, she was told. Aman did exactly what she was told. What Radha told Aman to hold her back and keep his feet with her feet. Aman did exactly what she was told. Aman obeyed her. Aman obeyed her and caught her back and caught her waist. Radha started swimming back slowly. Radha slowly swimming toward the shore. Now, with Aman's weight, it was tough for her to swim against the current. She felt difficult. She felt difficult because Aman was so weight, and she could not suffer his waist because the current of the water was against them. The water was flowing against them. She want to hold him and she want to carry him and she want to swim against the current of the river. It was so tough because she could not afford the weight of the Aman. But she slowly swim towards the shore. She used all her strength and inched back towards the river bank. She used all her strength. She used all her capacity, physical capacity. She used all her physical capacity to let the Aman to the shore, and she slowly moved towards the shore, and she slowly swam towards the shore by the bank. By the time she reached there, a big crowd had gathered. There are a lot of people gathered. Many people gathered there because it is a tragic event when some children went to enjoy the river of the Yamuna, and some of them, they were while they were swimming in the river, the Aman was get into the deep of the water. It made panic around them, panic around that place, and so many people gathered there. By the time she reached there, a big crowd had gathered. Half a dozen hands caught hold of her. So many people tried to put up into the shore, put up into the bank. So many people stretched their hands towards her. Someone said, "Let go of woman, we are here." Someone said, "Let go of, please free her. Please free her. We are here, we will keep you." Then someone scooped her out of water and laid her down slowly on the sand. And someone scooped her out of water and laid her down slowly on the sand. And the people helped her to put the Aman into the bank, to bank of the Yamuna river, and she slowly down him on the sand. Now Aram was lying on the sand. She was panting, her throat was dry. She was confused, and her throat was dry. Her lungs was dry, and she feel thirsty. So she shivered uncontrollably. Someone brought a blanket and wrapped around her, and she was trembling, and she was uncountably shivering because it is not a hot water; it is a cold water. So she was shivering because she carried him, carried the Aman to the shore of the river, and she was shivering, and her throat was dry. Someone brought a blanket and wrapped it around her. Someone brought a blanket. Someone brought a cover for her, and he wrapped her. And he covered with a blanket because she was shivering. And she closed her eyes. She felt happy because she can helped helped her friend, the Aman, his cousin, her cousin. Then now let us stop here. Now tomorrow let us discuss the next part of the story. Okay, there is no question answer today. You must recognize the difficult words, and you may put on in your note everything in your notebook, and you may write the meaning of the difficult words. Okay. Thank you very much.